We've been a dealer for IROCK since 2012. We've built a lot of confidence in these guys since we brought them on board. They take care of us and they take care of our customers very, very well.
James Warren from Quarry Materials. What we're doing on this specific site is we're going to be crushing structural fill, driveway base, parking lot base, and then all the rest of the aggregates for crushed stone, for drainage, and for storage boxes for the infrastructure of water retention. When we came to this project to start it, we knew that we would have to call on our friends at Ace Equipment. They have all the latest technology. They carry all the top brands. Told us that they had an excellent IROCK jaw crusher. It's plug and play. There's screen operation with all push button, step-by-step directions. Off the trailer, you're up and running within 20 minutes. Hydraulic legs and the amount of material that it's producing is just perfect for this operation.
Jimmy came to me looking for a jaw crusher for this application. He wanted to make 3.5-inch process, about 10,000 yards here on this site. Rather than him break down his jaw crusher in his own pit, he decided to be more cost-effective to rent for the month. And we provide him a TJ 2745 IROCK jaw crusher for this. Easy deployment, easy setup, and this is going to do the job very well. Okay, safety is our #1 priority here at Ace Equipment Sales. No machine goes out unlooked. Guarding, safety switches, all has to be 100% before it goes out. There's no room for error in that department. And so that's something that we really, really strive to keep a 100% record. One thing that really made IROCK shine when we decided to bring them on board was parts. Parts is #1 in this industry, and if you cannot get parts, it doesn't matter how good your service department is, you cannot get the part. IROCK houses all the parts in Ohio, and I can get them next day. So parts to us is #1, service is #2, taking care of our customers.